In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize borders in Google Docs. Whether you're enhancing a report, creating a flyer, or just looking to organize your document better, borders can be a simple yet effective visual tool. Let's dive into it. First things first, head over to docs.google.com. If you haven't already logged in, you'll need to use your Google or Gmail account credentials to access your documents. Once you're in, you have the option to open an existing file or start with a blank slate. For this tutorial, I'll demonstrate using an existing file as it gives us some content to work with. Once you have your document open, direct your attention to the top menu bar and find the Insert option. Give it a click and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, navigate down to the Drawing section. This is where the magic happens. You'll see an option labeled New. Go ahead and click that to open up the drawing interface. Now that we're in the drawing interface, we're going to select a shape that will serve as our border. Hit Shapes to browse through different shapes available. Pick the shape that best fits your style or the content of your document. With your shape selected, click and drag on the canvas to draw it. You can make it as big or as small as you want, depending on the content you need to frame. After drawing your shape, let's set the fill color to transparent. This ensures that only the outline, your border, is visible in your document. Next to the fill color option, you'll find the border color setting. Here you can choose a color that complements or stands out against your document's content. This adds a layer of personalization and professionalism to your document. Next, enhance the visibility of your border by adjusting the thickness. You'll do this by navigating to the border weight option, which sits right next to the border color setting. Choose a weight that appeals to your sense of design or fits the document's needs. Once satisfied with these settings, click Save and Close to insert your newly customized border into the document. With the border now in place, you'll see a small menu appear as you click on the border itself. Click on the three dots to reveal more options. Within these options, find All Image Options and make your way to the Text Wrapping section. To ensure the border doesn't interfere with your text, choose the In Front of Text option. Finally, look below the border for the Move with Text dropdown. Select the Fix Position on Page option. This makes sure your border stays exactly where you want it, regardless of any changes made to the surrounding text. Adjust the size or position by dragging the endpoints of the border to suit your needs. And there you have it. You've successfully added and customized the border in Google Docs. Happy editing, and keep experimenting with these features to make your documents stand out.